In the heart of the Himalayas, there's a paradise where the air smells of kahwa and every lake whispers poetry. From the tulip gardens of spring to the snowy meadows of winter, here, time takes a pause. Whether you seek peace, thrill, or culture, Kashmir welcomes your soul. The new Jammu and Kashmir isn't just safe, it's soaring. With every traveler, our spirit flies higher. From border tourism to eco-retreats, every corner now opens to the world with pride and peace. World Tourism Day isn't just a date, it's a reminder. Jammu and Kashmir is not just to be seen, but to be felt. आप आए, कश्मीर जीत गया।